Hello guys, my name is Luca from AudioTribe YouTube channel, and in this video I will make a sound test comparison between the JBL Partybox 710, the JBL Partybox 1000, the JBL Partybox Ultimate and the Sony ULT Tower 10. First, let's talk about the specs. The Sony ULT Tower 10 has an amazing square 12-inch subwoofer, 2 mid-range speakers and 4 tweeters, while the JBL Partybox Ultimate have 2 9-inch woofers, 2 mid-range speakers and 2 tweeters. The JBL Partybox 1000, the Legend, has 2 7-inch woofers, an amazing tweeter and of course a big 12-inch subwoofer underneath of the speakers. And the JBL Partybox 710 has 2 8-inch woofers and 2 tweeters. So the specs are very different. 800 watts of power, 1100, 1100 and 1000 watts of power. We will play the same song at the maximum level of sound with all of the speakers, and I will tell you my impressions. First will be the Sony speaker. So I put my headphones because inside the house the sound, it is just too much that comes from these 4 tweeters and this mid-range speaker. The bass, it is very good, the sound, it is amazing, it is very loud. So this, it is a very loud speaker, but the sound is not that balanced. But now let's go to the JBL Partybox 710 with the same song at the maximum level of sound. So it is clearly that the JBL Partybox 710, it is more balanced than the Sony ULT 10. The Sony has 1000 watts of power, while the JBL Partybox 710 has only 800 watts of power. But you can feel that the Sony speaker, it is louder, but the bass, it is quite there with the JBL Partybox 710. So it has an amazing bass, The sound, it is well balanced. You can well do a outdoor party with only one JBL Partybox 710. And the lights, it is more beautiful than the Sony lights, because it has these LEDs, these strips of LEDs, and every speaker it is light up, while the Sony speaker, it only has lights on the top, on the front, on the back, and on the bottom, on the front and on the back. Which I prefer between these two as sound? I definitely prefer the JBL Partybox 710. But now let's go to the JBL Partybox 1000 with the same song at the maximum level of sound. So the JBL Partybox 1000, for me, it is in my heart. You know, I have the 710, I have the Ultimate, but I think because of the 12-inch subwoofer that is underneath of the speaker, it is amazing. Of course, it is not that balanced as the JBL Partybox 710, but it is more balanced than the Sony Ultimate Tower 10. So which sound do I prefer between these two? Of course, I will prefer the JBL Partybox 1000 sound, because it just has the JBL Pro sound. It has much more bass and not that much highs. This one, because it has 4 tweeters, the highs are becoming to be annoying. So it is clearly, I prefer the JBL Partybox 1000 between these two, because it has better bass. It has this amazing panel LED. It has on the top of the speaker, it has this amazing DJ pad, so it looks very good. Unfortunately, neither of the speakers have internal battery, so you need to plug it in a socket. For me, is the JBL Partybox 1000. It sounds better, but if you have a party, I will definitely recommend you outdoors. I will definitely recommend you the Sony ULT 10, because it will be louder. But now let's go to the JBL Partybox Ultimate with the same song at the maximum level of sound. Of course, I love the JBL Partybox 1000, but it is clearly that the JBL Partybox Ultimate, it is the best JBL Partybox ever. The JBL Partybox Ultimate, it is more balanced, it is very loud, the bass, it is definitely better, the house is shaking, the lights, these LED strips, it is amazing, the design, I don't know what to tell you, but I prefer the JBL Partybox Ultimate. Of course, it is a little bit more expensive than the Sony speaker, but this is, in my opinion, the best party speaker on the market. Well, the Sony speaker, it is amazing, but the highs, I don't like the highs, are too much for me. This I probably recommend you to use it outdoors. The 710, it is more balanced, but it is not that loud. It is very good, the bass, the highs, the mids, the everything, but I prefer the JBL Partybox Ultimate that has the best sound, the best bass, the best everything. So what is your opinion about this sound test? Which one do you prefer? Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit the like button.